students, in this session we are going to learn a new poem from our English textbook. So, open your English textbook on page number 90. Okay? Students, in this poem you are going to meet a new friend. And that new friend is same age of you. Okay? See students. On page number 90, what you see? Here you can see a boy sitting on a tree. Sitting on a tree. Okay? And that small boy hold a book. Okay? And there are some birds, squirrel. Okay? And that boy is telling something. Means this is your new friend. Okay? And what he is telling we will read in the poem. Okay? Listen carefully. That boy says, I used to read somebody to sit and read to me. I had looked at every page they read and listen carefully. But now that I am in the first grade, I am filling up a shelf with stories, poems and other books that I can read myself. Okay, students, what that boy says? Your new friend says that boy wants somebody. Means that boy wants a company of someone. For what? To sit and read to me. That boy wants somebody. Means any teacher, any friend, maybe his sister, brother, parents. That person sit near to that boy and read for that boy. And what he want to do? I had looked at every page they read. And when that person is reading, that boy wants to observe very carefully and listen carefully and wants to listen carefully. See students, when you are a small babies or you are maybe in nursery, LKG, UKG class, at that time what happen? Suppose at the time of morning, your father, your mother, your grandparents reading newspaper. At that time what you did? You just go there and observe the pictures from that newspaper. Okay? Like that. Now, that boy also wants to just listen and observe the who is reading and how they can read. Means that boy is very curious about reading. He wants to learn reading like you. When you came in first standard, at that time you also want to read and learn to read. Like that, this boy's feelings are also same. And see the next stanza. But now that I am in the first grade. See, now you got, I am called this boy as your friend because that boy also belongs to first standard like you. Okay? I am filling up a shelf with stories, poems and other books. That boy wants to fill shelf from the books of stories, books of poems and other books like comics and related to reading, okay, that I can read myself. In short, we can say that in this poem, a small boy belonging to first standard wants to learn reading, and for reading he wants somebody help to him learn the reading. Understood? इन शॉर्ट इस पोएम में एक फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ने वाला लड़का है जो क्या चाहता है, कोई उसके पास बैठे उसे रीडिंग करके दिखाए ताकि वो ऑब्जर्व करके खुद रीडिंग करना सीख जाए. Isn't it a very interesting poem, students? So you have to read this poem and send me the audio.